Hello everyone, welcome to my Android Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to design a simple but clean Android app interface using Android Studio. This is based on what I learned while developing my own project, so I'll share the exact steps I used to create my layout, add buttons, icons, and connect the design to the code. Let's get started. First, open the Android Studio. Oh, Android, Android Studio. What nanta? Loading. Nan. Click new project, select empty activity. Give your name ang name sa imong application. So, anong tanong? Design. Then, make sure nga the language set is Java and the minimum SDK is Android 5.0 or higher. Then, click finish. Loading. Okay. After a few seconds, Android Studio will load your project. You'll see two important files, main activity and active main XML. The main activity, this is where we'll add our logic or code. Then kaning activity main, this is where we design our layout. So, siya. Now let's start our designing our layout. Go to res, then click layout, activity main. So, muna siya. Our default layout is the constraint layout which let us position elements fairly and responsively. Let's start by adding a text view for the app title. In the palette on the left, find text view and drag it to the top of the screen. Yeah. Double click it and change the text to any text you want. You can also adjust properties like text size, text color, font style in the attributes panel on the right. Gani, attributes panel. Siya makita ng layout width, layout height, siya yung mga banduan. Then next, let's add a button below the text. So, kung gusto what is add button. Drag a button from the palette, drop it under the text view and set its text button. So first dahil maggama sa tunay kanil umon sa tunay dahil then text view my app. Then ganing button pwede pud to ni usbon sa to yung butang tawag start now. Start now. Now. I'll also center it. Uh, Finally, let's add an image of our app icon. Drag an image view from the palette, place it above the text view, above the text, and select an image or vector drawable. So, yan lang avatars. Okay. Uh, let's take a look at how this layout looks in XML code. Click on the tab at the bottom. You'll see something like this. Then, yun siyang itong mga code nga samtang na gumagamit tag design. You can adjust margins, sizes, and constraints here directly. XML gives you more precision compared to the drag and drop design. So, mas basic pa kung ano lang ka mag-code kaysa sa kuan pa ka dire, mag drop and drag pa ka dire. To make the design look better, let's add custom drawables and colors. Go to res, drawable folder, right click new set, right click, then new, ngita kag vector asset. Here you can choose from hundreds of built-in material icons. For example, I'll choose Bluetooth. Doon nakare, search Bluetooth. Okay. Then click next and finish. You can now use this icon in your image view or button by setting. You can also customize your colors by going to res values colors.xml. Here you can change the primary color to something you like. For example, blue, blue or orange. For white, pink, gray, black. And that's the end of this tutorial. You've learned how to create a new Android project, design a clean layout using XML, customize colors and icons. I hope this helps you in your own Android Studio projects. If you found this helpful, please like this video and share it with your classmates. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.